Hi, I'm James, and I'm from St. Thomas, Ontario, Canada. And today I'm testing the Autotrends Folding Black Trunk Organizer. Let's take a look at what it can do. The organizer is great. It expands to hold anything that you might want to put into your trunk. Jumper cables, a couple of jugs of washer fluid, kids' toys. Your imagination is really the only limitation here. It's great because it folds right down, nice and compact, so that when it's not in use, it takes up no space at all. It's also got pockets on the side for some of those more sensitive items that you don't want to lose from rolling around in the trunk. I would definitely recommend the Autotrends Black Folding Trunk Organizer to any of my friends or family. Whether you've got an SUV or a car with a conventional trunk, this thing definitely is a must-have so that you're not having to reach into those back areas of the trunk where things always roll around to.